Here in this problem, we are going to see a hexagonal lamina. For that, here is a question. A hexagonal lamina, which is also called as a plane, of side 25 mm is resting in VP on one of its corner. Draw three views if the diagonal passing through that corner makes an angle of 30° to VP. So this is the question in front of us. Now here I'll be explaining the conditions step by step. So let us get started with the solution part. Here it is given the hexagonal lamina is resting in VP on one of its corners. So if it is resting on one of its corner, it means the entire hexagon is in VP. So I'll draw that. It is of side 25 mm. So here I'll take this center and measure the radius as 25 mm. From the center, here I'll draw a light circle. Next, I want a corner here. So giving the notations here, A dash, B dash, C dash, and in order. Now in the question it is mentioned hexagonal lamina of 25 mm side is resting in VP on one of its corner. That corner I am going to take it onto the left side because in case of planes the left hand side should be a reference, either corner or side. So here it is resting on the corner, so A dash is the reference. Now keeping A dash fixed, I am going to turn this hexagon. Just before doing that, here in the front view it is seen as a hexagon. So from the top it will be visible as a straight horizontal line because planes they don't have any amount of thickness. Then draw the three views if the diagonal passing through that corner makes an angle of 30° to VP. So the diagonal which is passing through the corner, which is corner A dash, the reference, through it the diagonal is A dash D dash. Now this diagonal will be inclined at 30° to VP, will be seen in HP. So in the next condition, I'll make this line A to D inclined at 30°. Degree to VP is seen in HP. I'll measure the length of the cutting plane from A to D. Measuring A to CE. A to BF. Now projecting the points in the front view. So A and A dash, where they intersect, it will give me point A dash. Point B dash. Here we have F dash. Next, C and C dash, where they intersect, that is C dash. E and E dash. Next point D. D and D dash. Joining these points in the proper sequence. Next, after this second condition, it is given that draw three views. So the third view will be here. For that, I'll select a point, measure an angle of 45 degree. Next, projecting the points starting with A dash. So here there is A dash and point A is on XY line. So where A dash and A, which is on XY line, intersect, that will give me the point A. Next, D dash and D. Next, B and C. So here over this line, I'll get B and C. This is point B. Then for point C, B and C, they are onto the same line. So here I'm getting point C. Then for E and F, on the same line, I'll get points E and F. So this is point E. Here is F. Joining all of them in particular order. Now I'll start making them dark one by one. So this is the front view. So this is the third view. Next, giving the dimensions. Hexagon of 25 mm side, inclined at 30 degree in the next condition. This is the true shape. This is the apparent shape. And with this, the problem gets completed.